Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Empower Multimedia. Today we're going to be talking about how to use Craigslist to make money for free. So a lot of people in my past have always had kind of like an objection of they don't have money to make money, which at times could be a potential objection, but it does come to a point where you're going to just have to figure it out and try to find a way to either get the money, borrow the money, or go about your own means and make the money come like out of nowhere. And Gary Vee kind of touched upon this hack in the past, but to be honest, like a lot of people have been doing this already. And Craigslist is a great website to find free stuff that people are literally just giving away. So the best way to do this, in my opinion, is just go on the for sale and free. And what's going to show you is it's going to show you a lot of just items that people either don't care about or don't want or giving away. Maybe it's a garage sale, maybe it's a estate sale, or maybe it's just something that like, hey, this is too big, we're moving, and we don't care if you take it, right? Now, just be cautious. So sometimes it does show like $0 or $1, and that might be enticing you to just show up, and it's actually like more than that. So I would message the person saying like, hey, is this actually for free? And they should just say like, hey, yeah, it's for free, just pick it up. Like for example here, free for pickup. If you have a truck, you're golden for this, or if you have a large vehicle, you're golden for this. If you for some reason own your own U-Haul, you're golden for this. Now, if you don't have that, it's definitely fine to either find someone with that or just run one out, because there's nothing better than free. And there's a lot of different tactics you can use with this. Like, if it's in decent shape, you can literally just resell it as is, right? Like this couch, I don't know too much about couches, but from the pictures, it doesn't look like it's in terrible shape. It just looks a little bit older. Someone might want to buy that. Like if it costs you $0, you might sell it for 100, 150. Who knows? Someone might buy it. Now, this goes to show for anything on here. Just you kind of see what's kind of valuable. I know furniture does pretty well. These cabinets, cabinets are great things. I know some people that kind of just like refurnish them or restore them, I should say, and they sell really well. So this is like a great opportunity for you to, if you have no money, just go out, and this is literally a hustle, right? Hustle and resell. This is a great opportunity for you to generate some income. I highly recommend if you're especially younger, like let's say you're working almost minimum wage at a job or minimum wage and you just want some extra income, or if you're in college and you just want a side hustle, or if you want to do this like full-blown full-time, this could be a great side hustle or full-time income if you want to scale it. You just kind of have to like learn like what sells, what doesn't sell, what people find valuable. And I can almost guarantee you that furniture is always going to be valuable. You just have to make it look good, make it look appealing. Look, another one. Because someone's going to buy it, I guarantee you. And you could sell it either local pickup, Facebook Marketplace, eBay. There's a lot of places you can go with it. But I do think this is a great hack to just generate some income where you literally, as it shows all here, $0. You just have to go and pick it up. You have to find the means of picking up if it's large. Go and pick it up, sell it, or pick it up, restore and sell it, and make your bread. With that being said, this is Carl with Empower Multimedia, and I'm signing out. Thank you.